Dear students, welcome to my video. Today we have to discuss chapter number 2, polynomials. So first of all, we have to discuss algebraic expression. What is mean by algebraic expression? Expression contains variables, numbers, mathematical operation that are called algebraic expression. So x square plus 2xy plus y square is the example of algebraic expression. We have three terms. What are they? X square, 2xy and y square are the three terms. And let us start the new concept, polynomial. What is mean by polynomial? Poly means many, nomial means terms. So we get the meaning is many terms. That means an expression contains many terms that are called polynomials. Here we have many types of polynomial. One is one-term polynomial, two-term polynomial, three terms polynomial, and higher number of terms. That is also a polynomial. So one-term polynomial is known as monomial. Already you learned in the earlier classes. Two-term binomial, three-term trinomial. Then in monomial we have 2, 5x. This is one example. Two examples. 2, 5x are the examples of monomial. Then a square plus ab, we have two terms, that is called binomial. A plus b plus c, or a square plus 2ab plus c square are the three terms, so that is called trinomial. These all expressions are called polynomial, that is higher number of terms. All expressions are called what? Polynomial. And simply we can say one or more terms contains in an algebraic expression that are called polynomial. That means monomial, binomial, trinomial. These are all polynomial. Then we have another example. X plus 3x raised to 6 minus 2x raised to 5 plus 9 is the one example of a polynomial. So this polynomial contains only one variable. Polynomial, one variable. So x is the only one variable here. So at that time we have to rearrange this polynomial into this way. See, take the highest power term. Which is the highest term? 3x raised to 6. This is the highest power, 6. So we write 3x raised to 6. Then next term, that is x raised to 5 minus 2x raised to 5. Next plus, here we have 4. Here we have no x raised to 4, so we have to adjust with the 0. So 0 x raised to 4. Next 0 x raised to 3. There is no x raised to 3 power. Then 0 x square plus x raised to 1. So 1 into x, that is x raised to 1, plus last constant term, that is 9. So this is the standard form of polynomial. Simply we can say 3x raised to 6 minus 2x raised to 5. Then here we have the 0 term, no need of writing here, plus x plus 9. It is called the standard form of the polynomial. Okay. Next one, degree of the polynomial. Degree of the polynomial means highest power of the variable in a polynomial is called degree of the polynomial. So let us take this example. 3x raised to 6 minus 2x raised to 5 plus x plus 9 is the polynomial, and this polynomial can be written as p of x. Okay, p of x. So the degree of the polynomial p of x equal to 3x raised to 6 minus 2x raised to 5 plus x plus 9 is 6. The highest power is 6. So the degree of this polynomial is 6. Every time of this powers of the variable, every time it is a whole number, not negative number, not rational number. Okay, every time it is a whole number. So this is called the degree of the polynomial. The highest power of the polynomial is called degree of the polynomial. Next, coefficient of the polynomial. See, take this same example. Coefficient means the numerical value of or the multiple of that variable. See, 3 into x raised to 6. So the coefficient of x raised to 6 is 3. And here x raised to 5. and the coefficient of x raised to 5 is minus 2, and here x is 1 and the last term is 9 only, there is no x term. So we have to write x raised to 0. So x raised to 0 means 1. 1 into 9 equal to 9. So the coefficient of x raised to 0 is 9. Okay. The next we can use degree of the polynomial. That polynomial can be divided into 3 types. One is linear polynomial. Linear polynomial means a polynomial of degree 1 is called linear polynomial. Okay, so here the one example, 4x plus 3. The highest power of x is 1. So 4x plus 3 is called linear polynomial. Another example, p plus 1. Here the highest power is 1. So that is called also linear polynomial. So general form of a linear polynomial is p of x is equal to ax plus b, comma, a not equal to 0, a never 0, and a comma b are constants. If a equal to 0, what happen here? 0 into x. 0 into x means what? 0. 0 plus b. 0 plus b means p of x equal to b. There is no linear polynomial. There is no degree. There is no variable. Okay, so p of x equal to ax plus b, comma, a not equal to 0. Then next second one is quadratic polynomial or second degree polynomial. Quadratic polynomial means a polynomial having highest degree of 2 is called a quadratic polynomial. For example, x square plus 2x plus 1. The highest power what? Highest power is 2. Here another example, a square plus 9, which is the highest power 2. So a square plus 9 is called quadratic polynomial. Here we have a missing number, so you can write what? A square plus 0a plus 9. Okay, so a square plus 0a plus 9 is the example of quadratic polynomial. Then general form is p of x equal to ax square plus bx plus c, comma, a not equal to 0, a comma b comma c constants. Cubic polynomial. Next one, cubic polynomial. The highest degree is 3. And example, x raised to 3 plus 4x square minus 2x plus 1. P of x equal to, the general form is ax raised to 3 plus bx square plus cx plus d, comma, a not equal to 0, a comma b comma c comma d are constant. Then continuously this way we can write the general form of the polynomial is an x raised to n plus a n minus 1 x raised to n minus 1 plus etc. plus a1x plus a0, where an not equal to 0 and a0, a1, a2, etc. an are constant. Okay. Thanks for watching my video. Please wait for next video. Thank you.